Filling your event calendar starts with getting found online, and that's where party rental SEO comes in. Start by researching keywords your customers actually use, like bounce house rental near me or wedding chair rental, and combine these with local phrases for better results. Optimize each page with clear titles, meta descriptions, and headers featuring your target keywords, while keeping URLs clean and readable. A well-structured site makes it easy for both visitors and search engines to find your main services. Create dedicated pages for each rental category, use internal links, and organize menus for quick access. To attract and educate buyers, publish helpful content such as setup guides, event checklists, and local recommendations, and keep track of your progress with tools like Google Analytics. Don't forget mobile optimization. Fast, responsive sites improve both user experience and search rankings. Boost conversions by streamlining your booking process with prominent calls to action and easy-to-use forms. Enhance your local presence by optimizing your Google business profile, managing reviews, and building local citations. Combine these SEO strategies with social media, email marketing, and engaging videos to maximize bookings and grow your party rental business.